Hello, today I'd like to cover how you can make interactive question answer dialogues. Just to give a quick example, here our friendly cat is asking what our name is. So let's respond back. Then, do you like school? Answer yes or no. I'm just going to answer Oh, it looks like it didn't like my answer, so I have to actually put yes or no. Let's put yes. All right, let's go in and see how we could actually make something like this. So first things first, let's create our flag block, or start flag block. And then next we're going to use a new type of sensing block. It's called an ask block. And what an ask block does is it can let us ask a question. So in this case it's going to say, what is your name? And then wait. So let's see what happens. Okay, so it asked our name, and now the answer that we typed in will be in a special answer block. So that answer is Matt. So how can we use this information? Well, one way we could use it is we can store the answer in a variable. So let's make a variable and call it name. So now when we run the application, it will say, what's your name? We can say Matt. And now Matt will be stored in the variable name. So now we can move on to the next question. We could add another variable called school. So what is your name? We can say Matt. Do you like school? Answer yes or no. So now if we look at our data, you can see the name is Matt and school is Well, what if we want to make sure that we only can that the person typing in the answer only says a certain word? So we need to make sure that answer is yes or no. And we want to keep asking this question over and over again until they give us the right answer. So one way of doing that is we could use a repeat loop. So let's set school to 0. And then repeat until school is something other than 0. So one way we could do that is we can say repeat until school is greater than 0. And then inside of the loop we can say, do you like school? Yes or no. And then use an if statement to say if the answer is equal to yes, then set school equal to the answer. But we want to actually be able to check for no as well. So we need something that's called an OR. So we could take this answer yes and add it here, and then duplicate it and say or answer equals to no. And so now let's see what will happen. What's your name? Matt. Do you like school? Answer yes or no. Well, look, it keeps asking me over and over again. But it really doesn't give me a response back. It doesn't say that my answer was wrong. So let's change this a little bit and actually give the user some input and tell them that the answer was wrong. Well, that requires something a little bit different. We're going to use what's called an if, then, else. So what this does is it says, if the answer is something we expect, yes or no, set school to the answer. Otherwise, let's give it a little response back. Say, I wonder if and then we could use the person's name with another join. So if you haven't seen the tutorial yet on joins, I recommend taking a look. It kind of covers what this does. So let's replace the old if block with an if else now and try running it. What's your name? My name is Matt. Do you like school? Answer yes or no. I wonder if Matt knows what school means or what yes or no means. So now let's try answering yes. Oh, looks like it worked. So now we can see that school is yes, and that that answer, or that school is yes, and that name is Matt. Now the next thing we want to do is we'll want to say something interesting like, if school is yes, let's give it some kind of response back. So if school equals to yes, and actually we want to use an if then else here. So if school is yes, then let's say something snappy back. How about say with a join, wow, your name is name, and you like school. And then if the answer is no, then you can say, and you don't like school. How sad. So let's try running this again from the beginning. What's your name? Matt. Look, and we can see Matt, the name is stored in, or Matt is stored in name. Do you like school? Answer yes or no. I wonder if Matt knows what yes or no means. All right, do you like school? Answer yes or no. Let's say yes. Wow, your name is Matt and you like school. There you go. You can build on this and ask multiple questions, multiple answers. You could even build stories from this example. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.